In the next decade, the world won't be limited by ideas. It will be limited by chips. And according to Elon Musk, we are about to run out. Artificial intelligence is growing fast. Self-driving cars, humanoid robots, massive AI systems, all of them depend on one thing: advanced semiconductor chips. But here's the problem. The world simply cannot produce enough of them. Current chip manufacturers, even the biggest in the world, can only supply a fraction of what's coming. Not 50%, not even 10%. In some cases, as low as 2% of future demand. So Musk proposes something radical, a new kind of factory. He calls it Terafab, a fully integrated system where everything happens in one place: design, manufacturing, packaging, testing, no delays, no dependencies, just pure industrial scale AI production. And the scale? It's almost unimaginable. Terafab could produce 100 to 200 billion chips every year, enough to power an entirely new generation of intelligence. This isn't just a factory, it's a machine that builds the future. These chips won't just stay on Earth. They could power AI systems in space, satellites, orbital computing, even missions beyond our planet. Because for Musk, AI isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of a multiplanetary civilization. But there's a catch. Building something like Terafab could cost tens of billions of dollars. It's complex, risky, and never done at this scale before. Even industry leaders warn, this will not be easy. But if Musk is right, then the future of AI won't be decided by software. It will be decided by who controls the chips. And Terafab might be the beginning of that battle.